It's Sunday the 9th of December, the day after Revelstoke opened for skiing, and I can finally get up there to ski. And do you know what? We've woken up to 20 centimeters of fresh snow. It's going to be an early season ski powder day, first day of the season. Moment of truth.
Come on ahead.
Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, that's new. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Here we go. Woo! Woohoo! Oh yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! Woo! Oh, there's some powder in here. Woo! Dare I ask what's it like in there? No. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Woo! Oh! Nice to get the quads warmed up. You happy? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Good in here, dude.
Oh, lovely. Woo! Oh, oh yeah. Woo! Dude, that's like completely twisted the
whole frame? Did you tomahawk?
Yeah, I went nose
Holy
dive.
shit.
That's taken the mold off.
Yeah.
Not good. Not good at all. Just ripped the mound clean off. I have effectively broken my GoPro on the first run. Ripped the mound off, ripped the pin off the bottom that would fit into the mound. So I don't have the ability to do any repairs. The only option I'm going to have is to hold this in my hand all day. But as far as first runs go, it's some wicked conditions up here. You've got to watch out for the trees, but I'm loving the feeling of powder under my skis again. Okay, let's see how this goes holding it in my hand all day. Oh yeah! So leveling line to North Bowl and Greeley is shut. Obviously still not safe to go in there. The good news is that Separate Reality and Lower North Bowl are open. I'm going to drop in on that. You ready? Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Face shot! Meet the neighbors. Wow. Nice, nice. Good. Oh, there's barely been anyone in here. Yes. Not all of Lower North Ball is actually open. I think it's just Meet the Neighbours, but it was good fun. The lower down here in Ripper, you can definitely feel that rain crust, so I am feeling adventurous here. Let's go and explore what is in there, but keeping it relatively safe today. But so far so good. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yes! Yeah, this is a little bit gnarly. Whoa, whoa. Still plenty of trees and shoots sticking up, but you can't feel any rocks underneath your skis, which is a good sign. So, whoop. Oh. This was a bad idea. Silly decisions. Just chasing for that pow too much. All I can see is trees. I'm trying to follow that guy's tracks down here though. Oh no. To be honest, I actually think the best runs have been in Separate Reality Bowl to the left of the Stoke chair today. So we're going to head back there, try one more now, and then we'll see how the legs are feeling. Good news, by the way, I've kind of fixed the GoPro, so filming today is back on. Woo-hoo! My overall impressions of the conditions are that they're actually a lot better than I think a lot of people expected, and the 20 centimeters overnight for certain has helped that. But as you look around, you can see that there are a lot of marginal conditions as well. So the areas where there has been that powder are now really tracked out. The groomers that were groomed are especially icy now. This is going to be our last run, so I have avoided the groomers as much as possible and tried to go in those powder areas, but there's only so much you can ride at this point. One we haven't done today is we haven't reached over towards jalapeno or hot sauce and maybe the still life Tally-Ho Glades. This is going to be our final lap, and then that point it's time to head down and have a beer. Let's make it an awesome run to finish on. Yeah. Okay guys, that is a wrap on day one of skiing at Revelstoke this year. Gonna give that a 7.5 out of 10 as far as first days of the year go. The powder was awesome. We do need a lot of snow, as you can tell. I'm gonna say we need at least 60 centimeters top to bottom to make this super good. Probably the lower elevations are gonna need a lot more than that, but it's snowing right now. I'm hoping this continues and hoping that there'll be some good conditions for tomorrow. But what were your thoughts on the first day? Let me know in the comments below. I love to hear from you there and I'll get back to you. Of course, like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you are new. We've hit 1,500 subscribers and we've just hit 500,000 views. So thanks everyone for the support. I'm so excited for this season here at Revelstoke. Hope it's going to be a mega one. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.